Hi, I'm Scott Caldwell, and today's scripture comes from the book of Luke, chapter 16, verses 5 through 7. One by one, the manager sent for each person who owed his master money. He said to the first, "How much do you owe my master?" He said, 900 gallons of olive oil. The manager said to him, "Take your contract, sit down quickly, and write 450 gallons." Then the manager said to another, "How much do you owe?" He said, 1,000 bushels of wheat. He said, "Take your contract and write 800." Now, when I first reviewed these verses, it was a little confusing to me exactly what the message was. So I cheated a little bit and did some research. And I'd like to read from that because it makes a lot more sense. The principle that Jesus is trying to convey is one of a just steward rather than an unjust one. The unjust steward saw his master's resources as a means for his own personal enjoyment and advancement. Now, conversely, Jesus wants his followers to be just, righteous stewards. If we understand the principle that everything we own is a gift from God, then we realize that God is the owner of everything and that we are his stewards. As such, we are to use the master's resources to further the master's goals. Now, what this means to me, especially now that our church is going through our Renew capital campaign right now, is that we all should use all of the gifts that God gives us, whether it's money, whether it's our talents, whether it's our time. We should use those gifts for the church and for our outreach ministries, for the capital campaign, for whatever. We need to make sure we use the gifts that God gives us.